Hey Skinnies, Nick here. I am cooking for Good Friday, and of course being Good Friday we are doing prawns, no meat today, and I thought it was a good opportunity to cook the honey garlic prawn stir fry from Dinner's 4 to just show you how incredibly easy this dish is. So I've done the first two steps, which is basically just chopping garlic and sauteing it, and then I've chopped the prawns and the capsicum and the snow peas in with honey, soy sauce and rice wine vinegar, a little bit of white pepper. So essentially like 4 or 5 ingredients, and I've cooked it for 5 minutes just so you can see what it looks like. Hang on, let me grab this. So now that that bit is done, all I have to do is chuck in my corn flour, and I'm going to cook it for another few minutes, and then I'll show you all what it looks like while we talk. All right, so 2 minutes. Now, a little bit about this dish. It's less than 20 minutes, which is fantastic. I get my prawns already peeled so that I don't have to muck around with raw prawns. And all you have to do is peel garlic, cut up a capsicum, and take the little end bits off of some snow peas. That's all the prep that's required. So it's a very fast and easy recipe. But the reason why I love this one is because it's very high in protein, obviously being prawns, and it's only 238 calories for a serve. So to me, that's perfect for my dietary requirements. Low calories and a good hit of protein without having to do much work in the kitchen at all. Ideal. So I'm going to serve this today, I think, with a bit, I haven't done any of that bit yet, but I'm going to serve it with some rice, and I'm going to just keep it real simple, just like rice, stir fry type vibes. Let me just grab quickly a spatula because I forgot to grab one, so that I can show you all what it looks like when it comes out. And I got my trusty thermal server from Thermomix. These new ones are so good, how they have the little, it's got like a little strap so that you can pack up and travel with it, which is ideal for today because I am taking this elsewhere to eat. And then this is what the little strap thing looks like. Now, for those of you who are in South Australia, I'm going down to the Prospect Easter Fair after I finish this. So I will be there before 2 o'clock. And if you're at the fair or you're in the area and you want to come down and say hi, I'll be with the Thermomix team. Feel free to bring your books if you've got any that you want signed. I know it's late notice. I was meant to talk about it yesterday, but I've been having so much endo pain in the last 24 hours. I just feel like I haven't been my most on point self. All right, so this is what it's looking like, you guys. Now we have, of course, like a if you prefer your stir fries cooked in the wok, we of course teach you how to cook it in the wok. And you can also, we've also got the high heat function for this one. So if you have one of the new Thermomixes that do the high heat, you can take advantage of that. So this here, beautiful stir fry, cooked in under 20 minutes. Hardly any prep. Like I said, I just cut up a capsicum and some snow peas. That was it. Peeled 4 cloves of garlic. Very incredibly easy recipe and great for Good Friday. Now, this recipe is coming out next Friday, so you'll have to wait until next Friday to cook it. But I do think that this is one that I will see cooked absolutely on the first night. You need 500 grams of prawns, a capsicum, 4 cloves of garlic, and a packet of snow peas. The rest of it you should have in your cupboard. So soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and honey, and a little bit of corn flour and white pepper, that's it. If I could remember the ingredients without referencing it written down, you know that it's a very simple, hardly any ingredients, very budget-friendly recipe. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Comment below if you would prefer to have this with chicken, because we teach you in the book how to make it with chicken as well. So if you don't like prawns or you don't eat seafood, there's a chicken alternative, so you can do a honey garlic chicken as well. And if you want to see what's in Dinners For, comment contents and we will send you the full list of all of the recipes found in the book. All right, I love you guys. Happy Easter. Have a fantastic and safe weekend.